Yo, what's up everybody? Alright, so final video of the day. I am going to explain to y'all how to predict the market every day, or how to predict how the market is going to open. And what I'm about to share with y'all is about a 70% proven method that every day trader uses. Alright, I'm going to use DWAC as my example. I could also use AMC as my example because I use the theory on both. I use the method on both. All right, we're going to talk about how the market closed today with DWAC. We closed right at $65. You closed at $65 with buying pressure that constantly kept testing 68, 69, and 70. It was constant pressure testing those numbers, and then it would consolidate back down. Once the market closed, though, you have after hours. What I'm looking for in DWAC is $2 continuation on the up. That's all I want to see, and I want to see it hold after hours. Meaning I need to see at least 67. If I see 68 and it holds 68, you know what that means? That means going into pre-market tomorrow, 70% chance continuation up. That it's going to continue to trend up. Now, as long as there's no outer forces at play, it's just inner force. There's no outer forces like bad news. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's say with DWAC, somebody releases some bullshit that Trump's going to prison. You see, that's an outer force that's going to affect the market open. Meaning as soon as the market opens, it's going to sell off because you have this story. Okay, this outer force that affects the market. As long as we're working with total inner force, meaning it's nothing but retail investors, institutional investors, typical day-to-day trading, nothing crazy. What happens when the market opens, when you carry over a $2 to $3 trend up, is it continues to trend up a hair into the market. The market opens and it continues to trend up just a hair, and you're going to test a higher number, but then it's going to consolidate down unless there's great news. But if there were great news, you'd have early trading would be out of control. Pre-market would be, you know, a huge 20% increase, not just $1, $2, $3 here. So what we're looking for once again is we want to pay attention to where we closed. Did we close on a downtrend, or were we closing either trading sideways up or just up? Then the market closes. Today we closed at 65, but we moved into 67. I watched it move to 68. I watched the continuation was up, which tells me there's a lot of support going into pre-market tomorrow. So I'm going to wait for this thing to continue up. If you're trading, okay, learn from this, because you can't tell people exact numbers. You got to tell people what to look for. All right. So what I'm looking for tomorrow, market opens, I'm going to look for minor continuation. Then I'm going to look for a spot to sell, let it consolidate, and I buy back in. I do this every day. I do it with AMC. I do it with every stock I'm in, which those are the only two I'm in now as far as stocks go. No, I'm in Zella. Still in that one. I just let that one ride though. DWAC and AMC. DWAC is my hot ticker right now though, so I'm making a lot of I did 7 trades on DWAC today, y'all. 7, and all 7 were a success. One only got me like $200. One got me $1,500. I averaged between $1,500 to $3,000 today on my trades. It's that freaking hot. Anyway, so much volatility. Like I said, you can make a lot of money on DWAC right now. If you're more comfortable just holding, then hold, because either way you're going to make bank. I'm going to guesstimate within the next 2 or 3 weeks, I'm going to cool off myself and I'm going to become a holder. And I'm just going to hold my DWAC. I want to contribute to the, that 30 million share float, and I want to help hold that line and build up a much stronger foundation for everybody. You know, I want us all to be freaking in that $200-$300 bracket, which I believe is very, very close. Okay, so I hope that helps y'all, man. People are asking me what I think is going to happen tomorrow. Instead of me telling you what I think is going to happen tomorrow, just look for what I'm looking for, and you and I will both know 70% chance what's going to happen tomorrow. Happy trading. Y'all have an awesome evening. Doge Warrior out. Shaboom. Peace.